Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick comparison between the Pop OS and Nobara. Let's go. Pop OS versus Nobara is a choice between stability-focused productivity and performance-driven gaming. So first off, Pop OS, which is developed by System 76, is built on Ubuntu and is known for its clean interface, strong hardware compatibility, and excellent support for developers and users who want a reliable work-first Linux experience. Nobara, this one is Fedora-based, so Distro maintained by a glorious aggro contributor, which is tuned for gaming out of the box with pre-installed drivers, codecs, Proton tweaks, and performance optimization that reduce setup time for gamers. So while Pop OS is a long-term stability, professional workflows, and minimal maintenance, Nobara focuses on multimedia. So, in short, Pop OS is ideal for users who want a dependable daily driver, while Nubara is best for suited or better for suited for those who want a ready-to-play Linux gaming system.